us and a beautiful ocean in front of us. So wow. Wow. Ingat ka, Ben. Wow! Talaga ang ganda. So, kulong tayo. Just be careful. Keep. Yeah. Pagpapasok ka na doon, then remove it. Okay? Alright. May tunnel po dito. Wow. Oh, great escape talaga siya. Promise. Promise, promise. Sana maranasan nyo rin to. It's very, very satisfying feeling. Okay, meron na namang deer. Yes, yes, I can see you. Hello, deer. Wow! Hi! Very beautiful. Yung ibang horn. Ayun pa, oh, gabi. Satisfying kayo siya. Five minutes ko na lang to. It's another story. 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. I'll go for the land trip. Road trip. Welcome to Norway. The best ang road trip. Wala akong masabi. Whew. It's really satisfying. Kunan natin ng video ang aking pinakamamahal na pinaka-baskog. Ayan. Diyan ay mountain and here is ocean. Ayan, susundin natin yung daan. Wow, it's a lake. Pwede magpalipad ng drone dito ba? Another amazing view. May mountain, may lake. Ang ganda talaga ng Norway. Solid. Nag-i-enjoy ka ba sa yung car racing? One of the goal, ha? Ako na naman mag-guide sa iyo. Oh, 5:36 na. Dito pa rin kami sa loob. Oh, I missed the chance. Anyway, hindi ko nakunan yung yung last. Okay, it's 5:37. Ayan. And then we got out from that tunnel. Let's take a photo. Wow, ang ganda. Oh, meron siyang
tunnel.
Oh. Yan. Okay, turista tayo. Turista. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo yung cloud. Diba? Galing tayo ng Finland in school. But here, it's kakaiba yung coldness niya. It's a natural coldness, not because it's winter. But because we are at the top of the mountain. Arctic, near Arctic Ocean. Wait, here. Oh. Thank you. Super cloudy. Oof. Amazing. Papasok na naman tayo sa isang tunnel. My favorite place. Tunnel. Short tunnel. Tapos maglalabas ka bukid. Oh, diba? Tapos yung bahay namin ang bumungad sa'yo. Ang ganda ng aming bahay. In our dreams. Social. Ang galing. They're so rich people. Okay. Ako, okay na ako kahit gasolina lang. Oh, look at that. Yung clouds. Matulog yung ko diri. The clouds. The clouds. Clouds with the clouds. Mag-invest na tagpuan. Kaya tagpuan. May stop. Stop siya. Sige lang, diretso ka. Nag-wait Nag-wait na siya.
Stop.
Okay, stop. Pasok na naman tayo sa tunnel. Meron tayong chaperone because maybe there is a construction going on. Yeah, they're cleaning. They're cleaning. Labas na po tayo. We reach our destination. I mean outside. Ang dami pang nakapila. How many minutes? Oof. Thank you for the escort. Kayo na naman. Okay. Ayun yung cruise. Alright. Okay, shout out to Aryan. Dito pa kayo nagsumakay ng cruise? Dito pa kayo nag-stop over? Very nice. So you can also take cruise from other side of Finland and then to here and then drive again towards Nordkapp. But for us, we would like to travel by land kasi mas madami kaming makikitang nice view like this. Look at that. Also museum here. Oh,
in 300 meters turn left.
To the left, to the left, to the have also airport here. Ayan. If you want to travel by airplane, drive safely. You can also take airplane. It's nice. If you want to travel by cruise, you can also, but you need to stop somewhere. That one, Nordkapp, and then the view again. Alright, the view again, the view again. Amazing. My eyes have lots of heart shape. Amazing view. Promise. Okay, look at that. Here is real cloud. So guys, come on, come here na. Now na. They have a very nice ocean. Okay. Tapos blue pa siya, bluish oh. Diba? Isn't amazing? Ang sarap maligo. Look at their houses there. Yeah. So nice, relaxing.